Welcome students. I hope the topics thermal energy, heat and temperature is clear for you now. So today we will discuss about how is heat transferred. So mainly there are three ways. The first one is conduction, second is convection and the third one is radiation. Okay. So what is conduction? Conduction mainly occurs in solid objects, where two objects at different temperature come in contact with each other and transfer of heat occurs. Okay, so for better understanding I will give you an example. Suppose this is a cold metal rod and this is a flame. Okay, so molecules are present in both of the objects. As it is hot, the molecules present in it will be moving very fast, and the molecules in this cold metal rod will be vibrating very slow. So when these two things come in contact with each other, the molecules that are vibrating very fast of the flame will transfer some heat to the cold metal rod. Okay, and the molecules present in it will be gaining some energy, heat energy from the flame, and it will collide with the other molecules of the cold metal rod, and as a result the heat that is gained will be spread throughout the cold metal rod, and after some time it will turn into a hot metal rod. So this is the process of conduction by which heat is transferred, where two objects of different temperatures, when come in contact, they transfer heat from one object to the other. Okay, so we will come to the next topic: poor conductors and good conductors of heat. So this is very simple. Good conductors allows the heat to transfer very easily through them, and poor conductors do not allow the heat to pass through them easily. Okay, so metals are good conductors of heat, and glass, air, plastic, wood, all these are poor conductor of heat. One more thing, poor conductors are good insulators. So how poor conductors work as good insulators? That they do not transfer heat well. So I'll give you an example of pressure cooker. The pressure cooker, the handle is made up of plastic. Okay, plastic is a poor conductor of heat. So when the pressure cooker is heated and we hold the handle of the pressure cooker, we don't feel that much hot. Yes or no? Because the plastic handle is poor conductor of heat, and it doesn't allow the heat of the pressure cooker to flow through our hand. So it is working as a good insulator. One more example, that is polar bears. So polar bears are living in extreme cold regions, but they are never wearing sweater and jackets like us. Yes or no? So how they manage to survive there? So I'll tell you. They are having very thick layers of fur on their skin. So that thick layers of fur traps the air. Okay, traps the air. That means simply we can say the heat that is produced from their body, okay, that is trapped there in their layers of fur. Okay, it will not go to the surrounding. As a result, it helps them to keep warm, and they manage to live there. Okay, so next topic is convection. So convection is a mode of heat transfer through fluids, that means gases and liquids. Okay, during convection current is produced, and through that convection current heat is transferred. So how this convection current is produced? When a liquid or gas is heated, the molecules present in them get expanded. Okay, when it get expanded and when it is heated, the weight of the things it will get lighter. Okay, so when it get lighter, it will move upwards. Okay, when it moves upward, the cooler or the heavier gas or liquid that is surrounding, okay, it will take the place of that. Okay, when it takes the place of that, it will create the convection current, and through that convection current the heat is transferred. So the same is happening in the coastal areas also, where we can feel the cool breeze. Yes or no? So I will tell how it happens. During the day, the land heats up faster than the sea, so the air above the land becomes warmer, okay, and rises upwards, and in its place cooler air from above the sea rushes towards the land. resulting in a sea breeze during the day. Okay, so the same the opposite will be happening at the night time. In the day, the land becomes cool faster than the sea, and the air above the land is hotter, so it moves upwards, and the cool air from the sea takes the place of that, and convection current is produced, and from that convection current the sea breeze is produced, and the opposite will be at the night time. So the next topic is radiation. Okay, so unlike conduction and convection, in radiation there is no contact between the objects where heat is transferred. Okay, the best example is the sun. The sun is far away from us, but we can feel the heat. Okay, so even we are sitting inside the room, or we are inside our houses, we can feel the heat very nicely, especially in summer days. Yes or no? So how do we feel? We feel the heat. The transfer of heat takes place through the empty space, through the radiation. Okay, there is no contact between the sun and me directly, or us directly, but we can feel the heat through radiation. So I hope these three mode of heat transfer are clear now: conduction, convection, and radiation. So in this chapter, I hope these are the things that we need to learn. Okay, one more thing that is important is measuring temperature. There are two units, okay, through which we measure the temperature, that is Fahrenheit and Celsius. In Fahrenheit, the boiling point is 212 and freezing point of water is 32, and in Celsius scale, the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius and freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. So this is the difference between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Okay, and this much for today. If you have doubt, so you can ask me, and please let me know if the videos are clear for you or not. Okay, thank you for watching. Please let me know. Thank you.